Hindi, baka matapon mo dyan sa...
Ilaw na.
But now you carry rest, brother, cause I ain't worried. Eyes slowly saying goodbye at the cemetery. The memories fade. I got your name tatted on my arm, so hold on to my dying day. Before I say goodbye, Kato and mental rest in peace. Thug till I die. How many brothers fell victim to the streets? Rest in peace, young brother. That's a heaven for a G. I'll be alive if I told you that I never thought again. My brothers were the last ones left. When time goes on, how many brothers fell victim to the streets? Rest in peace, young brother. That's a heaven for a G. I'll be alive if I told you that I never thought again. My brothers were the last ones left. And life goes on, bury me smiling with G's in my pocket, have a party at my funeral. Let every rapper rock a leather that I used to know from way before. Kiss me from my head to my toe. Give me a paper and pen so I can write about my life and see it. A couple bottles of gin in case I don't get in. Tell all my people I'm a rider. Nobody cries when we ride. We outlaws, let me ride until I get free. I live my life in the fast lane. That police chasing me. To my brothers from old blocks, from old blues, brothers that guided me through that ain't not old school. Pour out some liquor, have a toast for the homies. See me go, gotta die, but you chose to go before me. And brothers miss you while you gone. You left your brother on the song. How long we know life goes on now? Many brothers fail, victims to the streets. Rest in peace, son. Rest in heaven, Lord. See it be alive. If I told you that I never thought again. My brothers, the last is left. And life goes on now. Many brothers fail, victims to the streets. Rest in peace, son. Rest in heaven, Lord. See it be alive. If I told you that I never thought again. My brothers, the last Grass is wet, and life goes on. Shout out to my crew right there. Very fast, Tupac, life goes on. I'm gonna do another Tupac, but this one's for all the moms out there. The name of this song is called Dear Mama by Tupac Shakur. So shout out to all the moms. This one's for you. Shout
There's a K and Y. You can like
Soft shit, soft.
That's the way it is. Hey, that's the way it is. Things will never be the same. That's the way it is. Again by Wiz Khalifa, featuring Charlie. It's been a long day. Shout out to some Park Skylines. I hope you guys have a blessed night. My name's Corey Iris. I'll see you guys here. Now I see you in a better place. And now you're gonna be with me for the last ride.